Welcome to Lexopedia. Today we're diving into some fascinating and fun facts about the planet Mercury. In the celestial tapestry of our solar system, Mercury hangs close to the Sun, a tiny world of extremes. Prepare yourselves to be amazed, because we're about to uncover the secrets of the planet named for the fleet-footed messenger of the gods. Let's get started. Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system, is a study in contrast. It's a rocky terrestrial world, much like our own Earth, but its diminutive size sets it apart. Imagine this. Mercury is actually smaller than Jupiter's moon, Ganymede, and Saturn's moon, Titan. And, in Mercury's case, it's just a very small planet. But don't let its size fool you. Mercury is a fascinating world with its own unique story to tell. It's a world of extremes, with scorching hot days and frigidly cold nights. It's a world of craters, cliffs, and vast plains. And it's a world that has captivated astronomers for centuries. Hold on tight, because a year on Mercury is a wild ride. While Earth takes a leisurely 365 days to orbit the Sun, Mercury zips around in a mere 88 Earth days. That's right, folks. If you lived on Mercury, you'd be celebrating your birthday every 3 months. This breakneck speed is all thanks to Mercury's close proximity to the Sun. The Sun's powerful gravity holds Mercury in a tight grip, whipping it around in a rapid orbit. It's like a cosmic dance, with the Sun leading and Mercury following its every move. But this close relationship comes at a price. Mercury is subjected to the full brunt of the Sun's radiation, resulting in scorching temperatures that would melt lead. Imagine a world where the Sun blazes overhead, casting long, harsh shadows across a barren landscape. Yet, despite these extreme conditions, Mercury is a captivating world, a testament to the power of gravity and the relentless dance of the cosmos. It's a world that challenges our understanding of planetary systems and reminds us of the vast diversity of worlds that exist beyond our own. On Earth, we take our atmosphere for granted. It protects us from harmful radiation, regulates our climate, and allows us to breathe. But on Mercury, the atmosphere is so thin it's practically non-existent. Imagine standing on the surface of Mercury. Above you, instead of a blue sky, you'd see the blackness of space, dotted with stars, even in broad daylight. The Sun, unfiltered by an atmosphere, would blaze down with ferocious intensity. This lack of atmosphere has some interesting consequences. For one, there's no weather on Mercury, no wind to rustle your hair, no rain to quench your thirst, and definitely no need for an umbrella. But perhaps the most striking consequence is the extreme temperature swings. Without an atmosphere to trap heat, Mercury bakes during the day and freezes at night. We're talking about temperature differences that would make even the hardiest Earthling shiver. Imagine a world of scorching days and frigid nights where temperatures fluctuate more dramatically than anywhere else in our solar system. Welcome to Mercury, the planet of extreme temperatures. During the day, the Sun beats down on Mercury with unrelenting fury, heating the surface to a staggering 800 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to melt lead. You'd be hard-pressed to find a place to stand without your shoes melting beneath you. But as Mercury rotates and night falls, the temperature plummets to a bone-chilling minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit. That's colder than the coldest temperature ever recorded on Earth. The lack of an atmosphere means there's nothing to trap the heat, so it radiates out into space, leaving Mercury a frozen wasteland. These extreme temperature swings are a testament to Mercury's unique position in our solar system. It's a world of stark contrasts, where scorching heat and frigid cold exist side by side. It's a world that challenges our understanding of planetary environments and reminds us of the incredible diversity of our cosmos. Chapter 5. A Heart of Iron. Deep beneath Mercury's cratered surface lies a secret, a massive iron core. This core is huge, making up about 85% of the planet's radius. To put that in perspective, Earth's core only makes up about 55% of its radius. Scientists believe that this giant iron core formed early in Mercury's history, when the planet was still young and molten. As the planet cooled, heavier elements like iron sank to the center, while lighter elements formed the mantle and crust. But there's a mystery surrounding Mercury's core. It's proportionally much larger than the cores of the other terrestrial planets. Some scientists speculate that a massive impact early in Mercury's history could have stripped away much of its outer layers, leaving behind a disproportionately large core. Whatever the reason, Mercury's giant iron core is a fascinating enigma. It influences the planet's magnetic field, its rotation, and even its interaction with the solar wind. It's a reminder that even the smallest planets can harbor giant secrets. Chapter 6: Robotic Explorers. Despite its close proximity to the Sun and the challenges of reaching it, Mercury has not escaped our attention. Two brave spacecraft have ventured into the inner solar system to unlock its secrets: Mariner 10 and Messenger. Mariner 10, launched in 1973, was the first spacecraft to ever visit Mercury. It flew by the planet 3 times, capturing the first close-up images of its cratered surface. These images revolutionized our understanding of Mercury, revealing a world more similar to our moon than to Earth. Messenger, launched in 2004, took our exploration of Mercury to a whole new level. It orbited the planet for over 4 years, mapping its surface in unprecedented detail, studying its composition, and even detecting water ice in permanently shadowed craters at its poles. These robotic explorers have provided us with a wealth of information about Mercury, but they've also raised more questions than they've answered. Mercury remains a planet of mysteries, a place where extreme conditions and unexpected discoveries continue to challenge our understanding of planetary science. Chapter 7: Ice on Mercury. You might think that a planet as close to the Sun as Mercury would be the last place you'd find ice, but you'd be wrong. Scientists have discovered water ice in permanently shadowed craters at Mercury's poles. It all comes down to Mercury's tilt. Mercury's axis is almost perpendicular to its orbital plane. Some craters remain perpetually shrouded in shadow. Water molecules delivered by comets and asteroids have frozen into ice. The discovery of ice on Mercury was a major surprise to scientists. Mercury, a world of wonder. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about Mercury, make sure to like, share, and comment. From its diminutive size to its extreme temperatures and hidden ice, Mercury is a planet full of surprises. Don't forget to push the notification button and subscribe to Lexopedia for more fascinating facts.